Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the dry run feature to help your bulk enrollment process in SEMIS web application. Before we start, I will explain a bit about dry run. Dry run lets you preview and validate your enrollment file before saving anything into the system. It helps to catch incorrect data like invalid academic year, invalid grade, etc. So you can fix it right away. Think of it as a final check before hitting the import button. Okay, so here you can see that I've already filled in the bulk enrollment template, the academic year, the grade, the class, full name, sex, and DOB. Now I'm going to save the file. Go to SEMIS web application. And then click on the drop down, click on enroll new students, select the file, and then click on continue. And then here you can see dry run button. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, and here we can see 8 ignored and 11 conflicts. To see or to check the ignored data and also the conflicts, then we can click on the more details, click on the drop down arrow, and then here it will show you the error messages. So for example here, value girl is not a valid option. Okay, so you need to fix the sex column, either selecting male or female from the drop-down option. The same process for boy. And then value O. So this is for the class. And then value 6. This is for the grade because the format is already set. And you can just simply select from the drop-down option. Okay. And here is for the academic year. The option is only for 2025 from the Excel template. So you will select 2025. 2027 is not valid. And then again, with the grade, the academic year, grade. So with this functionality, you can see all of the error message that you're getting. Now, we will go back to the Excel template and fix all of the error. Okay, so here for example 2026 is not a valid because the only option is 2025. Okay, we can just copy this and then paste it to all the invalid data. Okay, next for grade, check the drop down and select the right grade. Okay, copy for the invalid data. And then for the class, you can select from the drop-down option. Also for sex. Okay, once done, you can save the file. Go to SEMIS web application. Close it first, select the file again, click on continue. Okay, you can see 5 new records, and then click on dry run to check. After we have fixed everything, it's showing 0 ignored and 0 conflicts. Then we can simply click on import new students. Enrollment data updated successfully. You can close. And here you can see all of the students or learner have been successfully imported to the system. Okay, and that is how to use the dry run feature to help you to do final check before importing the students.